Welcome. Today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we got the SIM tool, some papers work, the silicone protective case, the charger brick, the USB-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here inside of our box the headphones adapter. So if you want to just use the adapter with your device together, so you should just buy it separately in the shop. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.